Uh, okay, good morning, everyone. Uh, okay, today I just want to share you about how to teach English, because I'm the English lecturer. So I teach. One of my subject is business letters, and that one kinds of English for specific purposes in management business. Okay, have you familiar with business letters? Yes. Okay. So, so it will easier for me to teach you or to give the understanding to you all. Yeah, because you have maybe you have familiar with this one. Okay, take a look into this one. Yeah, this is as Norma said that in teaching we should know what actually the objective of our learning. Yeah, what are the target of that subject, and then make it the language more simplified, and also we can identify terms and terminologies. Yeah, and then identify the resources type that you would like to develop. Okay, take a look into this one. Okay. If we teach the English, I think Bu Rosa and also Pak Suwarno have been familiar with this one. Yeah, when we teach English, the three focus, is our grammar practices, style, and also the letter practice. Yeah, especially for business writing. Okay, take a look into this one. Okay, I will show you the three kinds of layout in business letters. Maybe some of you have seen the layout of these letters, right? Okay, so Bu Mimi, yeah. So could you tell what are the differentiate of this three layout? What are the differences? What's the template? The template is different. No. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yes. What? Could you explain it one by one? Uh-huh. Okay. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Yeah. Attachment. Enclosure. Uh-huh. 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 Mm-hmm. This is the right or no? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Then the second, the same text. Mm-hmm. Almost it. Oh, the second, there's a enclosure page under outside. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think from this format you can differentiate them, right? Yeah. Because for fully block style, the position is in the left, yeah. And then also for modified, yeah, has been modified. So sometimes it's in the right position, sometimes in the left positions. You can see here for the date, yeah, it's different with this fully block style. And also for semi-block style, yeah. So you can see here there is indented, yeah, indented. In Indonesia we call it as apa? First paragraph. Yeah, usually when we write in the first paragraph, we will indent our first paragraph. So did you get my point? Yes. Okay. Okay. And then okay. Now then I want to say you, yeah, my my strategy to teach English is the first one is to by comparing, yeah, by comparing as you see just now, that by showing the figure and it will make the student easier to understand. So we show the figure, we show the differentiate, and then they can guess what are the differences of that layout. Okay, and then also by sentence for deeper understanding. Yeah, take a look into this one. Okay, so this is the comparing, yeah, between the informal and also formal. I think you can choose, yeah, the informal one. Actually, these two sentences has the same meaning. Yeah. has the same meaning. Yeah, have the same meaning, but the using is different. Yeah, if we're talking about the business letters, yeah, we must write it in formal. Yeah, formal, because we try to build the connections with the other company. Yeah, so the language should be polite. The language should be formal. Yeah, so that's why we try to see you. Yeah, the formal and also the informal one. So you can see here, yeah, a college degree is a must. Yeah. So usually we can use it in spoken. In spoken, in speaking, is it's okay if we use this informal one. But in writing, yeah, you should watch your sentences. Okay, a college degree is an essential requirement. Okay, did you get my point? Yes. Okay, search of this one. Yeah, I got the brochure. I got the brochures. I received a brochure. I think Miss Yulinda know about this one. Yeah, because you also the lecturers of this. Yeah. And then we cannot do anything about your problem. Yeah. It means that there is no solution for them. Yeah. And also, but we can see informal one. Yeah. They use the different sentences, but the meaning is they can't give the solutions. Yeah. Okay. Unfortunately, we are unable to help you in these occasions. Okay. And then this is also for you can give the students after comparing the layout or the form or the format of that letters, and then comparing the sentences, and then you can go into comparing the examples of that letters. Yeah. Contoh letters. Yeah. For example, you can see here, this is the poor one. Yeah, the poor one, and this is the good examples, that letters. Why we can see this is the bad examples? Straightforward. Any others? Any else? Informal, and then sorry. Oh, okay. Okay, so so informal one. Yeah. So yes, yeah. That's is the point. Yeah. For no explanations, not more explanations. Yeah. Mhm. Yes, because if you want to write the business letters, it must concise. Yeah, it must accurate, and also it must clear. So you can put what actually your letters about. Yeah, and actually in writing the letters, we have the structure. Yeah, there is introductions and also body and also and then the closing for the and then conclusions of it. Yeah. Okay. And then we go to this one. Okay. Take a look into this one. Categorize each part. Okay, for the first questions, yeah, label the different element of these letters. You can see here there are many elements of the letters. So, Miss Widya, could you answer for the first one? What actually the element is? Date. Okay, and then for the second, sender. Okay, sender address. And then for the third one, salutation. Okay, good. What actually the salutation mean? Give a plus to Master Mo. Okay, Master Mo. Okay, Master Mo, actually the salutation means like the greeting. Okay, so there are many variety of salutations, such as you can go to his name, yeah, for or his positions, yes, such as Mr. Dear Manager of X company, or you can go into his name, Dear Mr. X or Dear Miss Madam Y. Yeah, so that is the variety of salutations. And then next, Miss Yulinda. The content. Okay, very good. The content of it. Yeah. And then the last one, and no, not the last one. After that, oh, complementary, complementary clause. Yeah. And then next, signature, positions. Okay, very good. Okay, give. Uh-huh. 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 Okay, very good. Yeah. We not go yet into the second the third the second. Yeah, the third questions. Yeah. You've answered it. Okay. So the boxes showed 15 errors. Yeah. Okay. Actually, there are many errors here. Yes, you said just now. It should be with capital letters, such as the month. Yeah, and also the name of the persons, and then also the salutation should be capital letters. Okay, very good. Actually, well done. Okay, so for the second questions, what is the format of these letters? Block, semi-block style, or indented? Block style. Okay, block style. Okay. Next. Okay, and this is complete the sentences in these letters using the information in the letters and the words below. Okay, for the first, what should be what should be the answers? Your resume was what kinds of these letters? What kind of letters it is? Receive. Receive. Okay, replay of cover letters, right? Okay. So for the first questions, what should be the answers? But Nina? Sure, yourself would be here. Uh-huh. But then between the 20 and 20 lives. Uh-huh. Probably now you focus into number one. Uh-huh. What should be the answers? Tourism was the same. Uh-huh. Okay, good. The letter. Uh-huh. Asian. Uh-huh. To our HRD was over. Uh-huh. Naging kasi directly mm-hmm. We will keep your digital file for future for future for future for future response for future response or for future openings. Okay, for future opening we new is well. Okay, very good. Give applause to Miss Mary. So you will get A in my class. Certificate. And then we go to the definition match. Yeah. Um, and also the class of that word. Yeah. So to make the student know what actually the word classes is. Yeah. Such as acknowledge. So what is the definitions of that one? Which one is equivalent? Acknowledge. What are the definitions? What is the definitions? Kemasomo? You got no idea. What actually the meaning of that word? To access? To accept. Okay, I will give you time to think first. 2 minutes to match this word with the definitions. Okay, pasa. The first word, what actually it mean? Mm-hmm. To accept or admit. To you can see the class of that word. Yeah. That one that can help you to identify the meaning. To accept or to accept or admit that something. Okay, good. Yes, that is the question. That is the answers. Okay, for applicant. Applicant. Somebody, right? Because that is noun too. And then equivalent. Something. Something. Okay, very good. And rejections. Not accepting. Okay, very good. The act of not accepting. And then reviews. Refuse. Refuse to implement. Considers. Okay. Okay. And then the last one is search. An attempt to find someone or something that is difficult to. Okay, very good. To search the match one, what do we do? Okay, you can also make the table such of this one. Yeah. You make the table, the part, the content, also the examples of it. Yeah. And then if you want to ask your student to make the examples of that letters, so you can go into this part. Okay. So they can start by opening first, focus sections, and also the closing of that letters. It's quite easy, right? Yeah. Yes. And then PBL, yeah, problem-based learning. I also apply PBL in my uh, learning method, yeah, such as challenge them to write the article, then publish it. Yeah, there are 3 articles that have been published in the journals, and also record the video to enrich their vocabulary. Okay, I think that's all uh, about about sharing today. Hope you can get the point of our discussions. Thank you very much and good morning.